to my sponsors, I am Hector Tanquila, who was given the opportunity to have a laptop for my studies, and I would like to express my deep gratitude to the Lord for making this possible. I believe God used you to fulfill this. Thank you so much, sponsors, and God bless you abundantly.
I'm Billy, and I'm glad that our church is now able to project some praise and worship lyrics. And thank you once again for your incredible gift. I appreciate your kindness and support. May God always bless you abundantly for your generosity. And thank you for treating us as your extended family.
A blissful day, everyone. I am currently a college graduating student, one of your beneficiary. I am thankful for your generosity and commitment. I wanted to personally thank all of you for your commitment and kindness. I can't thank you enough for helping me because your help truly changed my life.
Thank you.